in this video, I will show you how to add running text in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, I'll just locate the post wherein I want to add it. So I'll add it on my blog post. I'll just head over and click on this edit option right here in order to edit this particular post with my WordPress block editor. Now in here, let's click on this plus icon, and then let's search in here for HTML. And then we can actually just drag this particular block right here wherein you want to put it. So for me, I'll just head over and put it just below this dog's picture. So I'll head over and add this right below in here. And then once it's been added, this will look like this. So let's just head over and use this code right here. Marquee your text here and Marquee. So you can just actually put your text right here wherein you want to add it. So for me, I'll just put in here, subscribe and like. And then from in there, I can just head over and click on the preview right here in order to see what it looks like. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's actually a running text already available on WordPress. So just head over and then click on the save option right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.